Hi everyone, this is Lv3 Accounting, first time streaming. Sorry for my cat constantly meowing. Okay, so this is Lv3 Accounting, and first I would like to explain why I'm doing this. This channel to is is supposed to work as a support for my students in learning accounting. Okay, and also for some self-study candidate who are going to take public exam like LCCI, Pearson, IGCSE, IAL. I've been teaching accounting for more than 10 years, and it is also for my personal growth. Okay, I would like to build a bank of past papers, okay, and also how to solve it, okay, give useful suggestions, and most importantly, get ready for these public exams. So, I am not a native English speaker, but I would like to use English as a medium of uh, teaching here, okay, or sharing, okay, because we are, after all, we are going to take the exam, which is in English, okay. So today, as I've mentioned, okay, this is my first streaming, and what we are going to do in this channel is to work on past papers, okay, one set of past paper at a time, okay. And today I'm just going to introduce to you, okay, our first set, okay, our first challenge, okay, that is because LCCI is going to have their last series of exam in September this year, and I'm getting my student ready for level 3 financial accounting. Okay, that's why in this 2 months or so, we are going to work out different past papers. Okay, hopefully, I would like to be able to get to 30 sets. Okay, hopefully. Okay, and to be honest, I am also taking this last chance, okay, to also take part in this exam, okay, in level 3 financial accounting as well as level 4 financial accounting, okay, which actually I've never touched this level 4. Okay, so what we are going to do first, okay, because today we are not working on the papers, okay, today I would like to talk about the specification, okay, get everyone ready and also get myself ready. Okay, so this level 3 financial accounting spec, okay, what is in there? Okay, what do we have to learn in order to get a good result in this exam? Okay, let's start. Okay, this spec, you can get it in the official website of Pearson, LCCI. Okay, if you are taking third level, I guess you are not new to LCCI. Okay, so just skip the introductory pages. Okay, and we will go to this specification at a glance. Okay, very important page. Okay, so there's an overview of the content. Okay, it doesn't tell you much. Okay, just a very brief overview. Okay, and what I find more important is, okay, first of all, it will be a written paper, of course. Okay, 3 hours, 180 minutes. Okay, sorry again for my cat constantly meowing. Okay, 180 minutes, but usually I would challenge my students to finish it in 2 hours, okay, or something like that, okay, and then half an hour for checking, and that would be all, okay. LCCI papers shouldn't spend you the whole 3 hours, okay, and there will be 100 marks, okay, and if you have a passing grade, then you will have pass merit or distinction, okay, and hopefully we all get distinction, okay, and 5 questions in each paper, Okay, no choices. Okay, you have to answer all. Okay, all compulsory questions. Okay, this is just an overview. And then let's go on to the detailed content. So if you are taking, again, if you're taking third level, most probably you have already taken second level, okay, accounting or financial accounting, something like that. So I would just focus on what we will add, what we'll have to add in our knowledge bank, okay, so as to tackle the level 3 papers. Okay, so accounting concepts we know already. Okay, financial accounting, management accounting is something we need to take a look. Okay, but then it is easy, should be very straightforward. Okay, just 1 or 2 lines of definition, and then it will be done. Okay, and then understanding financial statements and the purpose. Of course, we always do this already. Okay, so it's not something new. Okay, and then this quantitative characteristic is new to the third level, so we have to learn a little bit. Okay, it consists of a triangle. Okay, and we don't need everything. Okay, of this IASB framework. Okay, we just need to know some of it. Okay, this qualitative characteristic. Okay, if we learn this, it also helps us to understand more about accounting. It's not just about calculation, not just about the rules, but then we understand why we have those rules. Okay, next type, different types of business organization. We've learned it from, I think, first level, second level. Okay, so it will be fine for you, and you have to understand the characteristic. Okay, sometimes you're also asked to, compare. Okay, which is better? What are the advantages, disadvantages of it? Okay, so yes. Okay, you see advantages, disadvantage, drawback. Okay, next page. Okay, stakeholders, we know it already. Okay, and next part will be the principles of professional ethics. Okay, we just need 4. Actually, we have more than 4. Okay, but then in this exam, we focus on 4. Okay, you might have to judge, make some decisions. Okay, comment on the, appropriateness of the accounting treatment. Okay, my cat is very excited. Okay, next thing, recording financial transactions. Actually, this part is, oops, I should use brown for items that we have already been through in previous levels. Okay, so all these things are things that we know already. Okay, except maybe we have to add a little bit on IAS2 about inventories. Okay, let me enlarge a little bit. Okay, the principle, okay, and valuation of inventory are called in accordance with IAS2. Okay, we might know it, okay, or maybe we have to add a little bit. Okay, let's leave until we are working on the papers. Okay, but here in this introductory part, okay, we just need to know what we need to focus on. Okay, so next part, balancing accounts and trial balance. These things we know already. Okay, how to work on trial balance. Okay, these are control procedures. Okay, you can see. Okay, but then let's take a look in the next part. This is something new. Okay, new but old. Okay, I should say that. Okay, because it is the extended trial balance. We know trial balance already. Okay, but what an extended trial balance is? Okay, it extend the trial balance. Okay, we can say we have. If we have 2 columns in the trial balance, okay, then we will have 6 more columns. Okay, for what 6 columns? Okay, 2 for adjustments. Okay, 2 for statement of profit and loss, and 2 more for SOFP. Okay, statement of financial position. Okay, that is, Okay, if we're going to prepare our financial statements, we have several separate statements. Okay, but then in this extended trial balance, okay, we know combine all those things into one. Okay, so we can see from the trial balance, pre-adjustment trial balance, okay, and then we have adjustments, those year-end adjustment, depreciation, accrual prepayments, okay, and then how these balances are transferred to the statement of profit and loss account for the net profit for the year, and then all the assets, liability, equity into your SOFP. Some of my students find it difficult, okay, but then for me, if you focus on adjustment part, okay, we know all the things back in level 1. Okay, some of the more challenging items, okay, we might have some corrections of error, okay, we can do it in our second level. Statement of profit and loss, statement of financial position, we can do it in our first level. Okay, so we just combine all the three, okay, make sure you have the whole picture, and then it appears in level 3. Okay, so no big deal, just old things in new format. Okay, but then we have to focus on this. Okay, this is one of the thing that is new and that is big. Okay, and what's more important, okay, it appears this extended trial balance, at least the adjustment part, okay, it appear in almost every set of papers in the level 3. Okay, so we have to focus a little bit on this. Okay, so next one, it would be the financial statements. Okay, it looks as if it is nothing more difficult than in the past, except, okay, be careful, because here in part F, we have the statement of cash flows. Okay, just one line, one item. Okay, it is easily omitted. Okay, but it is important, it is difficult, it is something new. Okay, it is not that difficult, but then it is something new that we have to learn. Okay, we have a format for the IAS format. Okay, for statement of cash flows. Okay. Next one, interpretation of financial statements. For me, okay, this part is not difficult. Okay. For second level, you focus on gross profit margin, net profit margin, okay, and also the liquidity ratios. Okay, in the third level, okay, we will also focus a little bit more in trade receivables and payables. Okay, this part, asset turnover, inventory and turnover. Okay, but then usually when we learn these ratios, we learn everything together, right? Okay, because we cannot look at just one ratio and make conclusion. Always we have to look into different ratios before we can make a conclusion. We can make a good conclusion on the performance of the company. Okay, so next, is this last? Oh, already finished. Okay, because here is the last part, and then the next page is already the skills that you need throughout the course of the study. Okay, finish. Okay, we have finished working on the spec. Okay, just that. So I want to point out, okay, if you have already learned level 2 accounting or financial accounting, or preferably accounting, because it's covers small things, okay, and if we have finished, okay, then what we need to add, okay, before we can attempt the paper are 3 things. Okay, first, oops, is too much. Okay, first things, okay, 3 things you need. Okay, first thing, okay, let me use another color. Okay, is a little bit more about inventory. Okay, IAS2 infantry. Okay, just let me also put the most important point here, that is lower of cost or net realizable value. Okay, so this is one thing we need to know, we need to learn. Okay, usually this part appear in the extended trial balance. Okay, how we are going to adjust for impairment of infantry. Okay, so number 2 that we need to add, okay, would be extended trial balance. Okay, and the third thing, what color? Okay, number 3. Okay, statement of cash flows. Oops. Okay, so these are 3 big topics. The first one is not big, okay, but then topics that we need to learn, okay, especially number 2 and 3, okay, and VVVIP, extended trial balance number 2, okay, because it appears every time. Okay, statement of cash flow, it sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not, but I like that topic, okay, because it is like working on puzzles. I like this, okay. And third level, it is not that difficult, okay. And I'm looking through the papers for level 4. Level 4, it is, you know, really another level, okay. I have experience in, you know, public exams in accounting, A-level accounting, okay. But then when I first met level 4 financial accounting LCCI, okay, it caught me somehow by surprise, okay, but that's another story, okay. And if you guys want me to also share my exercise on level 4, okay, you can, you know, voice out, okay. So just like I said, okay, this is my first time streaming. I'm not, you know, streaming for a long time. I mean, long, you know, it is almost over, okay, this section, okay, because I'm just getting myself comfortable, okay. Hopefully no one watched this, you know, first stream, but hopefully in our next meeting, we will have more joining us, okay. If there's none, okay, that's okay, because I'm new here, and what I do is I am, you know, saving these resources for my student, for my teaching, for my personal development, professional development. It's okay. Okay, it is just part of my experience and exercise and practice. Okay, also for myself. Okay, so we still have a little bit over 2 months before we have the exams. Okay, the exams is in the second week of September. Okay, the first week being, you know, 1st of September being a Friday. Okay, the second week, Monday, we have third level. Tuesday, we have third level, the 4th and the 5th of September. Okay, so 2 months. Okay, hopefully we can tackle 30 sets of paper. That is my target. Okay, and you know, during a week I will be away, and my initial plan now is to stream 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, I don't know if I can get a fixed schedule of it. Okay, but I want my first you know, working on the past papers to be tomorrow, and we will be working on which set of paper, okay, LCCI, again, ASE 20097, that is level 3 financial accounting. Okay, I'm focused on the official resources that is available on the website of Pearson LCCI. Okay, so if you're interested, okay, go and search for Pearson LCCI. Okay, third level financial accounting, okay, ASE 20097. Be careful because you have old spec. Okay, we're taking this specification. Okay, so ASE 20097. Okay, and I will start from the most current past paper available on the site. Okay, that will be June year 2022. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, hopefully it's not a 3-hour stream. Okay, usually if I work on it, I finish it within 2 hours. Okay, with my student. Okay, if I'm just doing it on my own, okay, maybe less than that, 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, for everything. Okay, but here I will also explain. Okay, if there are important notes, I will also write some notes. Okay, for you, for my student. Okay, so that's it. See you tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, June year 2022 paper. Okay, get it ready if you want to join. See you.